Imagine a house designed around a unique interplay of light, space, and nature. This contemporary dwelling prioritizes a connection with its surroundings, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living. The design revolves around a series of program-containing boxes. These boxes, crafted from stone masonry, stand out against the backdrop of the white concrete. Sunlight plays a key role, with wooden shutters acting as a natural filter, creating a warm and inviting ambience. Stepping inside, we are greeted by a spacious living area. The elevated floor plan, 30 centimeters above ground level, enhances the feeling of horizontality. This open layout fosters a sense of connection between the different zones. The arrangement of the boxes creates beautiful in-between spaces. These areas serve as common areas, offering framed views of the garden and allowing for visual connections throughout the house. The swimming pool, with its shattered rectangle design, mirrors the horizontal theme and complements the overall composition. The private rooms reside within the stone volumes. These boxes, with their varying heights, add a touch of dynamism to the overall design. The use of natural materials like stone reinforces the connection between the house and its natural surroundings. The raw and natural materials employed throughout the house celebrate the beauty of simplicity. The interplay of light and shadow, created by the interplay of volumes and openings, adds a touch of drama and intrigue to the interior spaces. This house is designed for living. The seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces encourages a connection with nature. The thoughtful use of light and space creates a haven of comfort and tranquility. As the day comes to an end, the house transforms into a silhouette against the golden hues of the sunset. The interplay of light and shadow continues to play its magic, creating a truly captivating spectacle.